ASST stock analysis and ASST stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. I'm the only guy in the space that has done 40,000 videos over 5 years. So you know, I've seen what's making me money and what's not. Especially now with ASST. Bro, 21 results popped up in the Discord. I got the first break, so all that's left is just the second one for me to just demolish this long. Because I do think there's far more juice to squeeze here, you know, because first time I made a video before this thing like just demolished the highs, you know, and just 7x, it was sitting at $3. Reached like 12, right? It's not 7x. That's a 4x. And like I said, I got the first shift. Only if there's a second one, I'm going to look to take it further up. And if that's not the case, I guess this is not going to be something I'll be trading. So if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, sure, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll continue to keep you updated.